Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm gonna be showing you a really cool pattern made out of single crochets and chains. So yeah, it's a really cool pattern. As you can see, we have these little V's forming. And I will begin with an even number of chains, in my case 14. The first chain we leave out and go into the second, so we will do one single crochet, one chain, and again one single. As you can see, really tiny. Then leave one out and repeat the process. Leave one out, one single, one chain, one single. Here is my first row with the little V's. So the effect we get by putting these together into one chain is pretty cool, right? Now we will go back, but we won't take any for the height, so this time we go into the chains of our last round. So it's always those little parts sticking out, that's how you can easily recognize them. So do a single crochet, a chain, and a single, just like before. This time, leave two out until you get to the next chain. Again, the same here. You can see it well here, so the part we are leaving out. So you can see the two rows now here, so a bit of a sneak peek what the pattern looks like. I'll do a couple of more rows and then show you the result, so how it looks after it's gotten a bit bigger. So here we are. This is a pretty tight pattern. It even makes an effect of vertical rows as well, so you can maybe notice those this way. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to shoot us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you would like to see more, feel free to check out our older videos as well. So thanks for watching. Until our next project, have a great day and a wonderful time. Bye!